you ever felt stuck in your med spa business, wondering how to break through to the next level? What does it really take to grow your med spa in a meaningful way? Hi, I'm Kelly Smith, founder of Projected Growth Consulting. For the last 20 years, my team and I have helped med spas, plastic surgeons, and other aesthetic practices turn their businesses into successful ventures. And today I'm going to share the exact 6-month blueprint we use with our clients to accelerate their growth and get real results. Let's dive in. Step 1. Set clear, achievable goals. Growth starts with clarity. What are you aiming for in the next 6 months? More clients? Better retention? A 6-figure month? At PGC, we believe in setting specific, measurable, and realistic goals. This gives you a roadmap to follow. Whether it's improving your marketing or optimizing your team, having a clear goal allows you to track progress and make adjustments when needed. In our MedSpa Growth Accelerator, MGA program, we guide our clients through setting those actionable goals and help them break them down into smaller steps for quicker results. Step 2. Optimize your marketing. You can't grow if clients don't know you exist. And in today's world, your online presence is everything. Start with SEO for your website, active engagement on social media, and targeted ads. Make sure your brand is consistent, authentic, and speaks directly to your ideal audience. The key is to build trust and create an online presence that gets noticed. At PGC, we help our clients design marketing strategies that attract the right clients, so they can see consistent traffic and conversion. Whether you're running an Instagram ad or getting ranked on Google, we provide you with the tools to make your marketing dollars work smarter. Step 3. Offer high-demand, high-profit services. If you're offering services that clients need, you'll see your revenue grow. Focus on services like Botox, laser skin treatments, and body sculpting. These treatments not only yield high profit margins, but they're also incredibly popular and in demand. At PGC, we'll help you determine which services align with your audience's needs. By selecting the right treatments, you'll maximize profits and boost client satisfaction. The MedSpa Growth Accelerator is a great resource for making informed decisions about which services to focus on and how to promote them effectively. Step 4. Build and train a strong team. Your team is the backbone of your business. From licensed professionals to front desk staff, you need people who are as committed to growth as you are. Make sure your team is properly trained, understands your client experience goals, and can communicate effectively. When you invest in their success, they'll deliver outstanding results for your clients. Through our MGA program, we help you identify the right hires, train your team, and create a positive, collaborative culture where everyone is working toward the same goal: growth and client satisfaction. Step 5 is client retention. You can't have sustainable growth without keeping your clients coming back for more. Building long-lasting relationships with your clients will help you achieve steady income month after month. Focus on personalized care, loyalty programs, and follow-up communications. By creating an experience that's memorable and meaningful, your clients will feel valued and more likely to return. Plus, they'll refer others to your practice. At PGC, we help you craft client retention strategies that increase loyalty and client lifetime value. And our MGA community offers you peer support to help you stay accountable and keep implementing the strategies that work. Step 6. Track, adjust, and scale. Growth requires continuous monitoring. You can't grow if you don't know what's working and what's not. Use tools like CRM systems, analytics, and financial tracking to measure your performance. Identify which areas need adjustment and which ones are thriving. Then, scale what's working. At PGC, we'll help you use data to optimize your marketing, refine your client acquisition processes, and make smart decisions about how to grow without burning out. Ready to make the next 6 months the best for your med spa? If you want hands-on guidance and a personalized plan to skyrocket your business, book a free success call with us today. We'll talk about how we can help you implement this blueprint and start seeing results. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and strategies that will help you take your med spa to the next level. Remember, it's all about the implementation.